So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I filmed this sunset looking makeup tutorial, like with the glitter liner. But if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts on how I did, what I did, some suggestions. Like this video, let's get this to like 20-30 likes, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. We won't have problems if you just subscribe to me, share me, like this video, and comment down below. Yeah, and then I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. So I got a new job. I know you're gonna be like, that's the 5th job you done had in a year period. Okay, you wanna fight? You wanna fight about it? So I'm priming my eyes, and today I'm just gonna be using this BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, the first one, and I'm just gonna be doing a look. I don't know, I'm thinking like yellows and stuff, so I'm gonna start off with this like yellow right here and use that as my transition color today. Y'all gonna be doing this with me because I have no clue what I'm doing. Alright, so now that yellow is down, we're gonna go in with a different shade. We're gonna go in with this yellow. I want to add a little orange just to give it a little more color. I'm gonna add the orange in the crease, but you know, don't overwhelm the eyeshadow look with orange because I want to do that. Wow, I like that. Like that! Let me go back in and blend some stuff. Guys, I'm like pushing up against my brow bone. If you guys can see, like I'm using that as a guide to not go up too high. Blend, baby, blend, blend, baby, blend. So now we're going to cut our crease, and then about to get it popping with the pink, popping with the pink. Hey. So now I'm going to take this really pretty pink right here and put that on top of this. Going back in with that orange in the crease. So next thing that we're going to do is I'm going to take this NYX glitter liner and I'm going to put that in my crease. You'll see. I'm about to take this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the color Slave to Pink, and look at how pretty this is. Like, we just go, let's talk. And I'm going to be putting this on top of here. Oh yeah, I'm using this Too Faced Primed and Peachy primer, like a matte primer. I'm going to be using this NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, and this is in the color Cinnamon. I hope this is my right color. Alright, and we're going to go in with our new sponge. Honestly, this does not look like my color and it's about to piss me off. The Fenty foundation is a little darker, so hopefully it will fix this. Taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Almond. Now that I look yellow, we gonna set the rest of the face. I'm gonna just use this Black Radiance finishing powder in Cafe. This e.l.f. blush palette. Let's take this shade right here. No, this one right here. I knew that one. So we're gonna use this Essence eyeshadow. It is called Rosy Flamingo, but as you recall my first video, I broke it, and that's why it looks like this. I'm trying to highlight it. Didn't go too well, but if you have not already watched that video, like, how are you watching this video if you haven't watched my first video? I mean, that was 20 something videos ago, but still relevant. Alright, so for the bottom lash line, I'm just gonna go in with those orangish, yellowish shades. So, eyeliner. I'm taking this NYX Jumbo pencil in Black Bean. I'm giving y'all life.